Hi there, my lovelies, this is Jana here. Welcome to my channel. So today we're going to make 3 options for a vegan oil-free mayonnaise. You are going to love because it's 3 instead of 1 and because if you're nut free you're gonna have an option. If you don't want to use, I don't know, whatever, you're going to have an option. So I hope you like it. I absolutely love this recipe. It's so versatile. You can use it on salads, you can use it as a dip, you can use it on a burger. It's so good and it's a lifesaver. So let me show you how I made it. So we're going to make a tofu based mayonnaise and an avocado based mayonnaise and of course the cashew based mayonnaise, my favorite. So we're going to start with the cashew mayonnaise. Now we need to soften the cashews because it's going to make it's going to be easier to blend, and the more you soften the cashews when you soak them in water, the softer they're going to get when you blend them. So it's going to be easier and the texture is going to be even better. So the ideal is to soak them for from 4 hours to overnight, but who has all this time, especially when you want the mayo right away, right? Just like moi. When I want something, I want it for yesterday. So we are going to simmer them for, I don't know, 20 minutes, and then they're going to be ready to be blended. And this is a very nice tip if you're in a hurry. Now this recipe, as well as the other ones that I'm going to present to you, you can flavor it. What I like to do is to make a very basic base. So whenever I want to use it, if I want to flavor it with Cajun spice, I can. With chipotle, I can. With herbs, I can. Because it's kind of a lot. It's like 1 jar. So it depends on how much you love it. That's relative. But you get my point, right? So that's what I prefer, but if you want to spice it up or flavor it up, just go for it.
I know it's nothing new, but it's so good to see you. We do this every day, and I'm still so amazed by you. So hold me tight through the night. It's just us two, me and you. Oh, oh, I can't believe you love me.
Alright, now we're going to make the avocado mayonnaise, which is equally delicious. This is, oh my god, and especially when you can get your hands on a perfectly ripe avocado, which is like if you live in Narnia, I think, because I can never, I mean, it's very rare. Sometimes I buy the avocados and I'm like, this is perfect, and then I open, they're brown. Or the other way around, when they're very firm, they're very green, and then you open and then you ruin everything because it's green. So the only thing you can do with it is fry. So, about the avocado, when you see some brown spots, they have the mayonnaise is gonna have the tendency to get a little bit darker once you store them in the fridge. But don't worry, okay, that's natural. This process is natural.
We got time on our side. We're in a state of hope. I need you on my fire. I want you to know that every time you're away, I long for you so much I can find my way. We got everything here, at least to stay alive, and the time that we share
And now we're going to make the tofu based mayonnaise, which is also very good. And we're going to flavor it a little bit with some fresh herb, which is going to be parsley, but you can use cilantro, you can use anything you want, but equally that easy. You don't need to squeeze the tofu or anything. It can be firm tofu, soft tofu, medium tofu, doesn't matter. And again, you can use it for anything you want. I like to make recipes here for you and give you options. That's my job, I think. So those recipes are inspired by the channel Planty. It's a Brazilian channel. If you're Brazilian or Portuguese or you can speak Portuguese, you should follow her. She's brilliant. I love her. And this is it, my lovelies. Don't you love it? Oil-free, whole food, plant-based. Hello, people who love this kind of food. I try to incorporate everything that I know in the same channel. So this is a myriad of different foods. And that's why I'm here. So I hope you liked it. Tag me if you make it on Instagram and Facebook. I love when you do that. And let me know in the comments below which one is your favorite. And if you love mayonnaise, I am a sucker for mayonnaise. And I am not ashamed of saying so. I see you next time. Have a fabulous week. Take care of each other. Bye bye.